Hello guys, I'm Cat Bully. Today, I'm going to hack Mr. Arsalantastic's YouTube channel. Swah 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 ruffle 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 ruffle. Now I'm going to go out my laptop.
Six minutes later, and in Mr. Arsalantastic's house.
Okay. Now I will open up my laptop to watch YouTube. Let's see. Wait. What?
Your YouTube channel got hacked. Swah 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 ruffle 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 ruffle.
Oh. My goodness. My YouTube channel is hacked. I wonder who could done this? Wait a minute. I think who it is? It was Super Mario character enemies of Cat Bully. That's it. I'm calling his parents right now. Hello. Cat Bully's parents. This is Mr. Arsalantastic speaking. I'm gonna tell you that your son hacked my YouTube channel. Can you grounding him please? Okay. Thanks. Bye.
Later, after Mr. Arsalantastic got off the phone, call the Cat Bully's parents to ground him.
Yes, there we go. I'm now hack Mr. Arsalantastic's YouTube channel.
Cat Bully, get over in living room right now!
Oh shit. My parents just called me. I am so big trouble.
Cat Bully, we just called to Mr. Arsalantastic that you're hacked to his YouTube channel. Tell us the truth right now.
Yeah, your father said tell the truth right now.
Yes, I did.
Oh, Cat Bully, how do you hack Mr. Arsalantastic's YouTube channel? That's it. You are grounded for 6162600002626 days.
Now go to your room right now and think about it what you did.